I'm Sarah Douglas, designer, crafter and small business owner. I love using paint in my handmade cards, and in this class I want to show you how to create a beautiful hand-painted Christmas wreath card using gouache paint. I'll show you step by step how to create each layer so you can create a card just like this. Or of course you can do this project in your sketchbook too. Set aside some time for your creativity and let's relax and enjoy painting together. All you need to get started is a card blank, paintbrush and gouache paints. This class is suitable for beginners and I'll talk about how to achieve the right consistency of gouache paint and how to create soft and pretty pastel colours in amongst all the bright ones. We'll look at how to shape each leaf and berry with your brush strokes to create this delicate look. By the end of this class, not only will you feel more confident painting delicate leaves and foliage, but you'll have a go-to card design that you can adapt for each different season, spring, summer and autumn too. Are you ready to paint? Let's get started.